Loxton. Only 1,000 people live in this spotlessly clean, beautiful and friendly place. Inside let's call it the City Bowl or the Circle. I haven't explored that. I just arrived last night, but the restaurant was so nice. We went to. We'll go there again tonight. And it's clean. It's really clean city. This. Someone always has to work this time in the morning. And there's one there. Those two fellas and one other. More. And yet two dogs have just met the first walkers in the street. Morning. Hulle stert te gaan mal, myne het nie 'n stert nie. Wait a minute. Okay, is this the bottom store?
Yes.
Where are you? Oh, there you are. Hello. What is your name?
Nadia.
Nadia.
Yes.
Ah, you've got what I want. That one. Coke. Castle-Lights.
Castle-Lights.
You look like visiting me. I was in the jail. My wife used to come visit me at jail, you see?
Oh.
Yeah, and then I used to have look through like this.